wow your customers, and we're going to use glitters. Of course, I always use glitters. Glitters will impress your customers. Bright colors, Halloween colors, and I'm going to teach you some pretty cool tricks. So let's get started. All right, next design. This is another cake that I use a lot. It is called, I don't know what it's called. Majestic something, I remember. Oh, Maleficent. Close enough. I used this cake for like a Little Mermaid design one time, but we're gonna use it for a Halloween design today. So, petal sponge. We're gonna do a trick-or-treat type of design on this lovely lady. Lots of glitter. And guess what? No bling on this one. I know. Okay, close your eyes for me. Let's see. Tap, tap, tap. The green all the way in the middle. I don't know what that little ball is right now, but we'll get rid of it. Okay. Let's see. Let's do the other side. This cake looked like super pretty. Okay. Green. This design will typically take me about 3 minutes, depending how many little candies I'm going to add on here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to put some Mama Clown glitter in the center. I think I'm going to raise this up a little bit more here. I want it to be a mask, but like a forehead design. Okay, glitter before it dries up. This is the, I think this is minty Mama Clown glitter color. I can't remember. Okay, so right now, while we give all this some time to dry up, let's start doing some candies. Start with purple. I find that freehanding these little candies is a whole lot faster, so let's do it. Okay, let's do one right here, little circle. And every candy is gonna be covered in glitter. A little circle. Let's see. Just like that. Little lines, squigglies. Okay, and before it dries up, let's do the glitter. This is Mama Clown glitter. It's just in a different container. And make sure your fingers are clean, because if not, that'll happen. Let's see, let's fix this here. I'm gonna do another candy here, since I have the purple already in my hand. So this way, this way, this way, this way. Turn this way for me a bit. Squigglies. Okay, glitter. I'm only gonna put glitter in the center for that one. Okay, next, let's get a green candies in here. This is the, I believe this is the Poisonous Fab. Is that what it's called? Poison green? I think it is. Called it Poisonous. Okay, so I'm gonna put your little head like this. Let's do one like right here. There's no rule on where you're gonna place all of your candies. Just go crazy. The green is a little bit lighter. Plus, on top of the purple, it's not standing out too much, but once you outline it, it's gonna pop out, so don't panic. Let's do one more. Let's do one more here, a big one. And here, because it is such a dark purple right here, I am gonna erase a little spot right here. That's gonna be the third candy. It's super hot in here, and the paint is like super muddy, but don't worry. I'm gonna cover it all in glitter. That's usually what helps me too when I'm on the job and I need something to dry up fast, or something to hide the mistake I just made. Just cover it up with glitter. It really does help. Okay, so there it goes. Even right now, if you guys take a look, it doesn't look like a little candy. It kind of looks like a big old block. But we're going to make it look like a candy. Okay, so that's that. Let me wipe up some of this. And now, like I told you guys earlier, spider webs will save your life. That's all I'm going to do right now. All over the place. Random little spots. Okay. And because I know that the other mask that I just did, you know, the spider webs here, the spider webs here, here. It's kind of like the traditional places, which aren't bad. It looks really cool. But here it goes. I'm just going to put like, I'm going to put a spider web here on her nose. I'm kidding. I just want to see if she believes me. Okay, this way. Let's do one right here.
I'll let you put a spider on my nose.
You want me to put a spider on your nose?
Sure.
I'm not going to do that. Crazy. Okay, let's do one. How we here is a traditional place to do 1, 2, 3. Let's get crazy. Let's go up. Ooh, she just did that. Bam. When I'm painting kids and I start getting really excited about the design I'm painting, I start talking to myself and it's really funny. Okay, we're gonna do this. Another thing, spider webs. We wanna do them like this, you know, like a little sideways. You don't have to. Not all of them. They don't all have to match. This one is more straight, sorry. This one, let's do a baby one. Let's do a baby one right here. We're gonna do a straight baby one. One. There you go. Let's do this way. Let's do a straight one. Okay. Okay, you can look this way. I'm gonna give her an outline. Okay, let's see, you're super tall. Okay, don't open your eyes. This is something I would only do on older girls. This entire design, I would do more on a teenager or early teens, or what is it, like 12?
Tween.
Like a tween. Okay, keep your eyes closed. I'm gonna start outlining the candies, but I do wanna add more spider webs, maybe in a different color. Ooh. Okay, so first candy here, swirl. There you go. You can see it. We're gonna make this little candy that does not look like a candy, look like a candy. Little lines just to give it more little details. That's your first candy. Let's do this one super big. This one, I am not gonna do a swirl in the center. Just like this. This way, let's see. You can't really see that glitter is like stopping us from seeing it, but it's in there. Okay, go this way. Let's make it like this block. Let's make it look like an actual candy. Got it. Okay. You can open your eyes. Okay. So, you know what? This little one is killing me. I think I am going to make a swirl. Oh yeah, much better. Yay. Okay. Now, let's give her some more spider webs, but we're going to make them purple. Let's see. Let's do... this way. Ooh, that's a tricky one right there. Okay. One more, just to kind of have like a balance this way. And this one, we're gonna do a big one. girls will go crazy for this design because it's not your traditional like Halloween design. Okay, green dots. Remember what I said, don't go too crazy with your dots. Dots. Okay, now just make them look like they have some type of like, what am I trying to say? Like a little style. Like that. Let's do 1, 2, too little this way. Let's do, I already did some here that are green and straight down, so I don't want to do that here. Here, let's do these like this. 1, 2. And I'm going to do a couple of purple dots. Okay, let's do this way. This way. This one I did a lot last year for Halloween. So I'm really excited to show you guys because it's super cool. Okay. And glitter. Let's see. Let's use this one. Okay, so this glitter, oh my God. It's super cool. I know that's what I say about every single glitter that I'm showing you guys, but it really is pretty cool. Let me do her lips really fast. I think that I really want you guys to get a good look on how the design looks once it has lipstick. Lipstick changes everything. So let's see. Okay, close your eye or lips for me. Let's see. It's really purple. Okay, close your lips for me again. She has such little baby lips. Okay. Don't laugh. Okay. We're just gonna put glitter at the bottom lip. Okay, you can close your lips. Okay, so glitter. So this glitter, this is really cool. This is probably the only glitter I've seen that has like a metallic color. I don't know how to explain it. It has like a bright yellow neon glitter. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's super cool. So I'm gonna start putting it just in little random spots all over. And this glitter is called, hold on, I'll let you guys know. It keeps falling off. I don't think that was a good place to put it. Okay, let's see. It is called Party Jam. And this is by the Apron Boutique. Let's see, just there. Remember not to smear on top of paint because then it'll just all come off. So this glitter has like a blue, a yellow, pink, and I use this throughout the year on like other butterflies. I used it a lot for sugar skulls last year, but it's perfect for Halloween design. Just get creative. Okay, so that's it. There we have it. We have a glitter, a trick-or-treat design. No bling needed. Just a bunch of candies, spider webs, different sizes, different shapes, straight, curled, glitter. There you have it, guys. I hope you guys like it.